folks, so I ordered an exhaust system for my Jeep TJ year 2000. Right now it was stock, removed the stock exhaust, so gonna put this MBRP exhaust. It's actually the Black Sries MBRP Catback from 2006. Got this from Extreme Terrain. Finally got it. So here you can see, got the Catback, got the pipe here, and got the tip. So yeah, gonna start installing it. We brought some brackets here, so brought the ring with bolts. So I think we don't need nothing else to install it, so we're gonna install it from the catalytic converter back. So here's a Jeep. I'm gonna turn it on and show you guys how it sounds with no exhaust, and then show you guys the difference once the exhaust is installed. I'll probably do some tests while running, that way you guys can hear the system. But yeah, let's see how it goes. Keep you guys posted. This test is for no exhaust. This is the final touch, the tip of the exhaust. And after this, ready to turn it on, see how it sounds. Installation has been completed, and now we're gonna hear it with the new sound. Let's see how it goes. Alright, so finished the installation of the exhaust of the MBRP. Hope you guys liked the video, and if anything, put comments. I can answer your questions, but it feels very smooth, very good amount of power. On low RPM, it's very smooth. You don't hear it that much, you just hear a little bit of humming, but once you hit on the gas, you can feel it. Good amount of power, good sound, nice and clean. So, like I said, I hope you guys like it. See you guys soon.